Built it in 24 hours.
24-hour build. All right.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Built it in 24 hours.
24-hour build. All right.
Hey, go tell
I know you. Yes, sir.
Go tell Vegas, the guy in the blue Dodge right there, to turn his ass around and come back over here.
Oh,
He's on the team with me.
he's in the room next to me.
Is he? Yeah,
right.
that's Vegas.
Yeah, I'll come in and get an info and a demo, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh. What's your name and what all's in here real quick?
Ben. I have an Orion 2500.1, 2 HC 1200 kinetics, and 2 Resilient Sound Gold 12s.
All right. And you built the box too?
Yep.
Nice work, man. And you have your back seat.
Yes.
Sweet.
I have a 3-year-old.
Okay, I understand. All right.
Give me just a second. Let me get all this.
Yes, sir. You're good. Have you metered it or competed or anything, or is it just?
I've metered it. It does a 145 and the kick at 37.
Okay, 37. So you're peaking the mid 30s.
Yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
What is it? Is it amp or 1 ohm?
Yes.
Okay.
When I have box rise, it goes up to 3.
3. Okay, so you know that.
Yep.
All right. That's good to know. Wow. It definitely does like mid-30s, you can tell. Yep. It does really good, man.
Where's the other one at? Give you some lows real quick.
Okay. Does it do better sealed with lows?
Window crack like
window crack, okay.
Just gotta find the right one.
does like the low still. So yeah, your box is
It didn't start doing that until I flipped them.
yeah, because you probably, oh, okay. So when you inverted them, you got a little bit more lows.
Yeah,
Got it.
I went from, my low peak was 35
Yep.
to it dropped all the way down to 28.
Oh,
But they
wow.
stink.
Yeah, they smell a little more. It's because you got a little more space, so the power is actually a little bit, might have had a higher load of power on that lower rating. So anyway, thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Ben,
Ben. Nice to meet you, Ben.
nice to meet you.
Have a good day, man.
Yep.
Thanks for meeting.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.